What if you could find YouTube niches before everyone else jumps in? Imagine starting a channel in a topic that suddenly explodes, and your videos are already there getting views while everyone else is still figuring it out. That's exactly what today's video is about. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own automated YouTube research lab using free tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search, and TikTok Trends to discover viral niches before they blow up. And trust me, entering early makes growth much easier. So if you want faster channel growth, more views, and less competition, watch this video till the end. Shopper. Section 1. Why most people fail on YouTube. 045. Here's the biggest mistake most creators make. They start channels in overcrowded niches. Gaming, motivation, tech news, vlogs, millions of creators are already competing there, and when you enter late, YouTube has no reason to push your content because thousands of similar videos already exist. But smart creators do something different. They spot trends early. Think about channels that started making AI videos before ChatGPT became huge. Or creators who started YouTube Shorts before everyone copied the format. Those people grew insanely fast because they entered early. Timing on YouTube is everything. And today, I'll show you a simple system to detect trends before they become saturated. Section 2. Step 1. Google Trends. The first tool is Google Trends. You can use Google Trends to see what topics are rising in popularity right now. This is one of the easiest ways to predict future YouTube demand. Here's how to use it. Go to Google Trends. Now type a topic you're interested in. For example, AI tools, faceless YouTube, TikTok shop, or UGC content. Instead of looking only at big spikes, pay attention to this. Is the graph slowly increasing over time? Because slow, consistent growth is often better than one-time viral spikes. Now compare multiple keywords together. For example, AI influencers versus dropshipping versus print on demand. If one topic is clearly trending upward while others are flat, that's a signal. Another powerful feature is related queries. This section shows what people are suddenly searching for. Sometimes you'll find brand new ideas before creators even notice them. That's how people discover trends early. Section 3. Step 2. YouTube Search Hack. 250. Now let's move to the second method. YouTube Search itself is one of the best research tools. Most people completely ignore this. Open YouTube and type a keyword slowly. For example, AI side hustle. You'll immediately see autocomplete suggestions. These suggestions come from real searches people are making. That means demand already exists. Now here's the important part. Look for topics with high interest, but low competition. For example, if you search a topic and only see a few weak videos with low views, that's opportunity, especially if the search demand is growing. Another trick, filter videos by this month. This helps you see which topics are gaining momentum right now. If newer videos are suddenly getting high views fast, that niche may be exploding. This strategy alone can uncover hidden content opportunities every single week. Section 4. Step 3. TikTok Trend Scanning. 355. Now let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is basically the internet's early warning system. Trends usually appear on TikTok before they become huge on YouTube. That's why smart YouTubers constantly monitor TikTok trends. Open TikTok and check trending sounds, viral edits, AI content, storytelling styles, and creator formats. Pay attention to repeated content styles. If thousands of people are copying a format, there's demand. And here's the crazy part. Many TikTok trends haven't even reached YouTube yet. That gives you a massive advantage. For example, AI POV videos, Reddit storytelling, fake text conversations, motivation edits, anime explainers. Many of these trends exploded first on TikTok, then YouTube creators copied them months later. If you enter during the early phase, growth becomes much easier. Section 5. Building the Research Lab. 5. Now let's combine everything into a simple system. This is your automated YouTube Research Lab. Step 1. Spend 10 minutes on Google Trends daily. Step 2. Search trending keywords on YouTube. Step 3. Check TikTok for viral content formats. Step 4. Write down every promising niche idea, then rank each idea based on demand, competition, and growth potential. The goal is not to chase random viral moments. The goal is to find trends with long-term potential before saturation happens. This is exactly how many fast-growing channels scale quickly. They don't guess, they research. Section 6. Bonus strategy. Here's a bonus strategy most people never use. Combine two trends together. This is where hidden opportunities appear. For example, AI, plus fitness, AI, plus finance, anime, plus motivation history, plus storytelling gaming, plus horror. When you merge trends, competition becomes lower because your angle is unique. That makes it easier for YouTube to recommend your videos. And unique positioning is one of the fastest ways to grow a new channel in 2026. So remember this, the biggest opportunity on YouTube isn't creating better content, it's finding the right niche before everyone else. Use Google Trends, study YouTube search behavior, watch TikTok trends carefully, because entering early makes growth easier. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tools, YouTube growth strategies, and online income ideas. And comment below, what niche are you planning to start next?